Hi, I'm Diane. I'm from Reston Ponds in Sycamore. It was really important to me to have a space where I could come and unwind. I've been doing some research on the hot tubs and whatnot. It's so good for your circulation and just for rewinding and relaxing. So I checked out a couple of different contractors, and one in particular came, and I wasn't impressed by the process and had difficulty figuring out the square footage. So it was pretty easy for me to say, I don't think this is right for me. I found Eric online on Google, looked through the reviews, and a lot of people said that he was very flexible. When I contacted him, he was there the next day. The thing that really impressed me was, and he kept saying this to me, is there's a lot of possibilities. And I wasn't afraid to make changes, and he was very flexible, very responsible, and it was quality craftsmanship. It is really tough to pick out a contractor. It has to be somebody that you really trust. And one of the first things that made me realize I wanted to go with Fox Valley was he was responsive, he was responsible. He said, I'll be here this day and we'll do this. And the form of communication between the phone, text messages, phone calls, videos, as we were working, it built even more trust. I almost feel like he's my brother, like he's family. So that's how easy it was to work with him.